Let's cut across at this point of time. Our Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi joining us live. Sahil, what is the state government, the state administration doing at this point of time? We just heard R.R. Patil today earlier stating that, they will look into the speech. If it's provocative, they will take action. Why is it that they're absolutely doing nothing?
See, till now, at this point of time, there is no case has been registered against Raj Thackeray as demanded by the Congress and NCP. Yes, the Home Minister R.R. Patil today said that the police and the Law and Judiciary Department are examining his speech, and accordingly, if they think that Law and Judiciary Department permits, then the police will go ahead with the action against him, because finally it's his speech which actually has generated the whole agitation. And after that, we saw that more than 25 toll plazas have been vandalized all across Maharashtra. Now, expecting apology from Raj Thackeray is like expecting an impossible thing from Raj Thackeray. He has already said that he agrees with what his supporters did, and it looks like that today his wife Sharmila Thackeray went and met with the workers who have been arrested, who were arrested in Pune for vandalizing the toll company's office. So she went and met them. That's how the parties like MNS and Shiv Sena make up their cadre. They support their workers, and that's what she was trying to do. But there is one thing which MNS is time and again trying to tell media, is that they are not against toll collection. What they are against is the way the toll collection is happening. There is no transparency in the toll collection. That's what they are trying to allege. But at the same time, the kind of methods they are using are definitely getting
Sahil, with this posturing, all this posturing, which is now clearly anarchy, is it all because it is an election year and they know that this is the only way they are going to win more support base?
See, Preeti, what we have seen in 2008, I will just take you back in history. In 2007, when BMC elections happened and MNS fought the election for the first time, MNS came up with a development agenda, and they could not make any difference in the BMC election. They could manage to win only 7 seats. But in 2008, when they started making Marathi issue, they started making anti-North Indian issue, suddenly MNS's support went up. And in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha elections, we could see that they actually were able to defeat Shiv Sena BJP with the votes which MNS got. And in Assembly, they could able to get 13 seats. Even in the BMC elections, they could their tally increased from 7 to 28. So what Raj Thackeray has realized, that these kind of methods definitely get him publicity and definitely get him support from the people. Right. Because yes, there is an issue in people that how the toll collection is happening. It's just that he is trying to use the methods which are not acceptable by the law. And there is one more thing, that the rise of Aam Aadmi Party has suddenly given rise to such kind of agitations in Mumbai and Maharashtra. We saw Sanjay Nirupam agitating against his own government. We saw Priya Dutt agitating against his own government. But they were using peaceful methods, whereas Raj Thackeray knew what kind of methods to be used to get in publicity, and that's what he is doing at his best.
All right, appreciate you joining us. Sahil Joshi getting us the very latest on that story. We'll keep getting our viewers the ringside developments there, and if at all